We propose zip-up print, a method to fabricate 3D shape using the 3D printed flattened pieces with zipper-like structure. The user can manually assemble a 3D shape by connecting the zipper components. Our zipper-like structure is called ball and socket structure, which allows for angle-independent connections between patches. Our computational pipeline converts input 3D model into developable surface. Users can interactively add the segmentation of input 3D model after the automatic developable approximation. Zipper-like structures are generated along the edges of each patch, and the patches are then flattened for printing. Users import a 3D model and perform developable approximation. Our UI allows users to input the printer's build dimensions, after which oversized pieces are highlighted in red. The user can then select and generate cut lines for cutting the oversized patches. Zipper structures are automatically generated between the patches. Finally, the patches with integrated zippers are flattened, making them ready for 3D printing.